हिंदी इंग्लिश कल को.
Hi, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to Body Grind Fitness Show. Today's the workout women's, especially women's का arms कैसे कम करना workout. This is the maximum burn your arms muscles and kill the fat in arms and shoulders and triceps muscles and everything. Is the complete arms workout. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Please the bell, ring the bell, and then the like button is there. If you do if you like this video, please do these exercises. Okay, ready to start the workout. Ready, first do the exercises before do the warming up must and should, like this. Keep your hands like this, left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left, like this. After warming exercise, then the start the workout. Today I am using only for one water bottle and do these exercises. Okay, first you start with, okay, keep your hand like this, keep your hands like this, and just this is position is like this. Just to hold it few seconds like this. Yeah, maximum touch 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. And push your legs, push. This is push. If you get push like this, upper body and arms and shoulders like this workout. Yes, like this, push. Simple basic exercises, simple homemade exercises, like just for stretch and stretch. This is a more effective this place and this place. And after that, just go for like swimming. Like if you like get swimming, just for forward bend, just for forward bend, like this freestyle swimming, freestyle swimming. If you get more freestyle swimming, then get like this freestyle swimming. Yes, like this freestyle swimming. Maximum use the shoulders and arms. Okay, just like this. And again same swimming model, go for butterfly stroke, like this butterfly stroke. If you like stroke is effective and biceps and triceps and arms muscles, like this simple basic exercise. Do this as repetition 25 to 40 repetition must and should. Yes, like, okay, after that simple I'm using only for one water bottle. I'm taking the only one water bottle. Just simple, just like this, kick back, like this, kick back, just for kick back. Is effective these place muscles. Yes, like this, simple, and stretch your weight. Yes, stretch your weight. Is the complete burn your here muscle. And again, yes, and again, this is maximum burn, like this. 1, 2, 3, yes, maximum. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, 10. And after that, same exercise and do like this. Just simple, right leg is down like L shape, just for like L shape, and do 1, yes, 2. Touch the hand, this is touch the hand. Don't open like this and forward. Okay, like you take the support here and then do the exercise. Yeah, simple basic L shape. This is L shape, and only lift the forearm only. Don't lift the shoulders and everything. Only lift the forearm. Yes, yes. Then only 25 repetition more effective on biceps muscles. And again, same turn over another leg. Yes, like this. Simple basic exercise. Simple. Just a touch here and lift the arm muscle. Yes, this is a more effective this place and biceps peak muscles and forearm. Okay, this is a complete simple basic exercise. After that, same simple hand like this, hold it few seconds, and like this triceps muscles extensions. This is extensions, the complete bone here. Yes, 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 25 repetition is must and should. And after that, same simple exercises. This is also same like this. Yes, yes, shoot. 3, 2, 1. Simple way to homemade exercises. Is a no effect, no side effects. Do these exercises must and should. After that, just lay down, just lay down. Keep your hands is closely, keep your hands is close. Upper body is the forward the upper body. Okay, just simple down like this. As off only, off only, off only, off only. Then effect in this place only. Off only this. Okay, don't lift the body fully. Okay, off only, off only, off only. Yes, off only. 3, 4, 5, More effective. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. After that, simple hands, two hands like this, diamond shape. Hold it like this, diamond shape, and like this. One. Yes. Up. 80% is up. Two. Like this. Three. Simple. Four. Five. Six. Body weight exercise. Mustang shape. Seven. Yes. Eight. Nine. Yes. 10. Yes. After that, simple, and again last one exercise is just for lay down like this, just a forward bend, just simple forward bend simple, and stretch your legs. Take the stick also, no problem. Take the, yes, take stick also, no problem. Or like this, simple, hold it like this. Feel any stick or water bottle or with a towel, anyone, take just for up without aids, like this. Just hold it few seconds. Yes, 25 repetitions, up to up only, not for down, not for down to up, up to up only, up to up only, up to up, up to up, up to up, up to up. This is the simple basic triceps workout. मैक्सिमम बहुत लोगों को वुमेंस का सेम ऐसा प्रॉब्लम, ज़्यादा आर्म्स का ज़्यादा फैट रहता है ना, वो वैसे फैट कम करने लगे सेम दिस एक्सरसाइज डू इज द कंप्लीट बर्निंग योर फैट ओनली आर्म्स मसल्स. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, please. Thank you.